In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Maiden outfit here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. Now, there's two major ways to go ahead and do this. We're going to go over both. First, the most obvious method is obviously just going into the shop, scrolling down on here until you see the Maiden outfit, and you can go ahead and get it from here. Sometimes it's included in bundles, sometimes it's not, so just keep that in mind. However, if you don't want to purchase it, what you can do is grind for it as well. Interact with the teleporter, teleport over to Boss Island, and once you're at Boss Island, you need to interact with the Boss Summoner menu and just spawn in the Blessed Maiden boss. It's going to spawn in just like so. You essentially just need to farm this boss over and over and over again. As long as you keep farming this boss, you'll go ahead and get yourself the Blessed Maiden outfit. Eventually, it is kind of a rare drop itself, so just keep that in mind. But that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.